so you asked the question.
Whoa.
I mean, I can see they're not as splayed
That
as
has
they would
nothing to
normally
do.
be.
Oh no, they're absolutely as splayed as they normally.
That's probably the right size, Paul. You got to pop the tabs.
That's
Can I steal that?
Well, this is a 1/2 here.
Oh, it needs to be a
Yeah,
9/16.
There's a 9/16.
Right, so the
Sockets,
There's-
gotta get
there's-
9/16.
yeah, to be able to.
cylinder boards
Yeah.
are a 90.
But yeah, you got to pop
Yeah,
that.
these things are tight.
But what Buick
This one needs to be
engineers
popped, too.
Did
Yeah.
is they said, you know, we're going to design this engine for torque. So they used a unique engine architecture up in the top-sided. Push rods go under the rocker shaft. So it's an underhand installation. And the reason it's called a nailhead is the valves are small. Are you trying to straighten it?
Yeah, I would think.
He's using the force.
Saying it would be, so the cam's there, the push rod top's there, and there's the rocker.
Normally, a push rod goes up and it's like right here.
Oh. And then the valves on the other side.
In this case, it's okay. There's a thing there. Right, the bolt's going to keep it. It's just on an angle right now because it's not square. But you guys, that's right. You guys are doing fine. It's not
Yeah, it's
going
fine.
anywhere.
Does this car have air conditioning one point? Because I know it's 1, 2, 3.
Yes, it had air. It had air and it was taken off. There's a little sticker on the side. It had Western Air. It was aftermarket.
Oh, you did?
Sorry. I had like a multi-meeting week in Vegas.
Oh, yeah?
Bottom of the push rod.
Is that the Viva Las Vegas?
There.
That was happening at the same time.
It's just unique, but there's no specific advantage to it. The reason it's called a nailhead is the valves are small. And the valves are small so as to allow the engine to develop low-end torque. The engine and transmission were designed to work with each other because it's a variable pitch transmission or a Dynaflow. It has a 3-to-1 torque multiplication where most transmissions of this vintage were 2-to-1, or in the case of the fluid drive in a Chrysler, it was 1-to-1. So this had 3-to-1 multiplication, and they wanted to have the greatest amount of torque down low, so it was designed to do that. And part of that design has to do with keeping your port velocities up.
So the small valves means more air is rushing through this.
No, not more, but it's rushing through at a higher velocity. So at low engine speeds, you have, it actually helps fill the,
But at high speeds, because you don't have a big valve, you limit your
It's
total amount of
restricted.
Brief.
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 It's not attached.
There we are.
see, the valves are up here.
Man, that's got more coke than Whitney Houston in a bathtub.
Whoa.
That's
Too
That's in
soon?
bad taste. Too soon.
Too soon? Sorry.
Exactly.
Why do these all look like they're the same height? No, I guess they're off a little bit.
Look at this shit here.
Ooh.
This is, okay, this is not uncommon.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, no, this is engine oil.
Yeah.
This is engine oil. And pardon,
We still gotta pop that one out.
you gotta take this off too. And this.
I'm trying to go this bracket.
Okay, that's gotta be bigger than 916.
Yeah. Show me that piece of oil coke.
So in the days before detergent oil, this is engine sludge.
Yeah.
And this one is very lightly, I mean, it's actually rather clean.
This isn't bad.
What is that?
Silicone.
Oh.
You want to
Is
see?
it?
You know, I bitch about silicone.
Is it silicone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a huge. Somebody
Because
got
look, somebody got way fucking
goodness.
happy with silicone here. Look.
Yeah. Silicone to the gods.
More silicone
You guys are killing it.
than Pamela.
So you're gonna put a new seal on.
More coke than Whitney. Nothing.
No, we're just gonna soak that in the toilet and put it back on. Should be fine.
Oh, that rip is fine. We'll staple that part.
Is this all coming off? Source manifold, everything?
Oh
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
we want to get down to the business.
We're stripping her down.
Okay. So go ahead and pull your spark plug wires.
Well, he's got this on, so if you could just bring that out a little bit.
There you go. There you go. Keep it going. How are we looking over here?
He's almost there.
That one's being a pain in the ass. Allie, you got the important job. Not gonna say you're a bag lady, but you're being the bag lady.
I am being the bag lady.
She's the cookie lady.
She is the cookie lady tonight.
She's the good cookie lady.
Yeah. I just texted her like 3 minutes before.
That cookie lady, that just makes me sad.
My ex's mom.
Yeah, it's still on there. You see it right there. I just gotta get.
You can make bad cookies, dude.
I don't know, Paul. What's that say?
Yeah,
Uh,
916.
that's the one you need.
Yeah.
You got to get that tab up more
Okay.
if we can. That one too. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. All right. I figured. I was like, what the hell are these connected to? But I see the hole in the block or the head.
Yes.
Sorry, there now.
I like nail heads. I like the nail heads. There we go. All right. Carry on.